What's up, Raw Talks TV? I know it has been a while. Happy 2022.
Welcome to Raw Talks TV. I'm your host, Lenore. And here is where the people connect to the story.
I want to just, tell y'all that life happens, okay? Life is life. But some of the things that I've been up to is just kind of brainstorming, get some things together, trying to reset some things. Just, remember my vision, see how I can get to my vision, but alter some of the things. So it's definitely been moments of like, I want to do this, and moments of, you got to do this because this is what you love to do. So I've been working on certain aspects of my life, of my businesses, of my projects, as well as self-care. So in this video, I just want to show you guys how I've been like calming my nerves, what has kept me sane throughout this time of like these unprecedented times. Like, we're still in a global pandemic, no matter what, the government says. We're still in the pandemic, and I'm still in the space of like, I need to be on a budget. I need to be saving money. So I'm very fond of beauty. I'm very fond of self-care, and you just being a minimalist, saving money, seeing what I can do myself, and perfecting my crafts, perfecting what I love. So in this video, you are going to see me doing these lemonade braids because I was watching a lot of tutorials, and I was like, well, I can do my hair myself. Let me just practice. If I can practice on myself, I know for dang sure that when I can do it on somebody else's hair, because I love doing hair. But being in Dallas and being in a new city, like, don't nobody really know that that's something I love to do. And it's another stream of income. Like, it's a natural talent for me. So I was just like, okay, let me just be practicing on my head. So you will see that. And you will also see me executing and doing my own pedicure. Now, y'all don't judge my toes, okay? They the toes that the Lord gave me. But I really believe that it's therapeutic for me. Like, anytime I'm feeling a certain way, I love polishing my nails now. And I remember watching my mama grow up. She used to always polish her nails and her toes to match her outfit, like literally every day or every other day. And when I realized that I was turning into my mama, I called her like, Ma, oh my God, like I'm painting my nails like you, like. But it's so therapeutic. So now I see why she did it. It's just some time to be still, a time to love on yourself if you can't do nothing else. If you can't afford to go get your nails and toes done, like, you could do it yourself. So I hope that y'all really enjoyed this video, and I'll be back at the end.
So you legit, guys, I do it the old-fashioned way. Fill that tub up, and I got those equipment from the dollar store. You can get it from dollar store, 99-cent store, whatever. And I just been collecting polishes over the time. I got this recent one from TJ Maxx, and I've been wanting it for a long time. And I just so happened to come across it, and it was only one left. Yeah, I told you I don't judge my toes. They bogus, and I ain't did them in a while. So here I am, really scrubbing, using the tools that they use at the shop, but definitely a cheaper version. I just love getting into the details of it, like really scraping off the sides. Like, when they be doing my nails at the toes at the shop, I pay attention. Y'all better start paying attention, because you can legit do that stuff at home, and Amazon be selling all the stuff now anyway. So it's, available to you. But I do this at least every 2 weeks, but I've been slacking. I ain't did my toes in like maybe 2 months. Okay, that polish was it's supposed to be white, it was chipped off and everything. But here's me, getting ready to transition to do the actual toes, where you'll find me legit. Just kind of make sure that I get everything. And I hate that white stuff that be on your toes, so I like scrub that off. And I file it, and I shape it down, and I, make sure that it look neat, at least halfway decent. I'm not trying to be like a super perfectionist. I just want it to look nice. You know what I mean? And the fact that it's been the wintertime and I ain't really had to have my toes out, I ain't really been wanting to do it, But that's no excuse, because I hate looking at these busted toes. So here we are, cleaned up as much as possible. Y'all don't see that white stuff no more on the top of my toes, which I'm happy about. Now we about to, put the base coat on. And this helps with like just, I really don't know what it helps with. I think it's like the firmament of your toe. I just see him do it there at the shop. And it's Love to Party by OPI. I saw it on somebody else's nails when I was in Atlanta the last time. And I was like, oh, what's that? So I just came across it and I bought it. And don't ask me why I'm sitting on my counter, ghetto, but my bathroom got the best light, and I like sitting up there because I could prop my toes on the sink and on the faucet and stuff. So now I've polished my toes, and I use this cuticle oil that I got for free, and just rub it on there a little bit. And yeah, that's really the process. And then I oil them joints up so it can be glistening. You feel me? Vaseline me, please. So now let's get into these braids. Y'all, I really need like a double-sided mirror, but I'm going to work with what I got. I was braiding it, and I was like, oh, I could put a little braid on my edges, y'all. My edge used to be, no hair right there. So I was really proud of myself that I was even able to do this. Like, even braiding that front was a little challenging, but I did it, and they cute.
So you guys, I'm back. I hope that you really enjoyed that video. I would love to hear your comments, your thoughts. Put them in the comments below. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on your notification, and let me know if you really enjoyed this video and if there's anything else that you want to see. And I'll be back before you soon. I love you. Take care.